He's got a graying little muzzle and a hopeful pair of eyes. Been watching every doorway like a dream walks by. All the others found their families, one by one they disappeared. Now it's quiet in the kennel, just the hum of volunteer. But he still wags his tail like he's sure of something true, that love don't run out, it just takes a longer route. He's the last dog in the shelter, but he don't know he's last. He's still waiting on forever, like the future's coming fast. With a heart that's made of second chances and a soul that never falters. Yeah, hope sits on four tired paws, the last dog in the shelter. They say he had a family once, before the storms rolled in, before the boxes on the porch and the long ride to the pen. But he don't carry bitterness, just a blanket and a name, and a quiet kind of courage only lonely dogs can claim. Every night he curls up dreaming someone's gonna choose his stall. He's small, but in that moment he's the bravest of them all. He's the last dog in the shelter, but he don't know he's last. He's still waiting on forever, like the future's coming fast. With a heart that's made of second chances and a soul that never falters. Yeah, hope sits on four tired paws, the last dog in the shelter. Then one cold December morning, boots stop at his gate. A gentle voice says, "Hey there, boy, sorry I'm late." And for the first time in a long time, he believes the words he hears, 'cause freedom sounds like jingling tags and a hand behind his ears. No more last dog in the shelter, now he's riding shotgun home. Got a brand new bed, a backyard, and a life he's gonna own. With a heart that's made of second chances and a soul that never faltered. Yeah, love came for four tired paws, the last dog